Hello everyone. So my friends, now I'm super refreshed. I just came back from shower. You can see I'm so relaxed now, and now I'm going to take probably rest for 1 hour, not much than that, because now the time is around 4:10. So around 4:30 I'm gonna put it in a dum, my biryani. It will take 30 minutes, then it will be ready. And again around dinner time I'll just warm it up for 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, that was it. It was such a busy day today. You already have seen. I hope you have liked my recipes that I have shared in my previous vlog. I ended that vlog 1 hour before, I guess. Yeah, around 3:30, right? I told you that now I'm done. I already shared with you my food arrangement and everything. So the thing is, the salad and raita, I put it in the fridge around 8 o'clock. I'll take it out. And now I'm all set. Bikram is relaxing also little bit. He also did a lot of work today. He helped me in the cleaning. He cleaned the bathroom, and then he arranged few stuff. And I will show you how I arrange my dining table. Definitely I'll show you. But now I just want to relax for, just half an hour relaxation is just good enough. Sometimes whenever I feel so tired, I just take 30 minutes nap and I just get so much refreshed after that. So yeah. Here you can see, after taking nap for few minutes, I came here in this living room, especially in my dining table area, just to see if everything is in place or not. Even though I have organized my dining table in a very simple way, but still we all need to check it really well before our guests arrive. Here you can see I'm organizing my plates in this way. I always love to put a tissue paper or a napkin paper on top of my plate. In this way it gets clean also, and also it's really very easy for your guests to take out the plates whenever they will have dinner. And also I have checked my fork, spoon and tissue papers. And here you can see I'm just thinking of putting this tree in the middle just to look good. Now I am all set. I am wearing this pretty dress. You already have seen this dress in my lookbook video. This is actually dress. This is western dress, but I am today wearing it with a leggings. So I think it's looking more like a kurti. So I'm liking it, and the color I really like, and also in this weather this is comfortable, because in the home, inside the home, I don't want to wear sweater or anything like that. So that is my simple dress, because I want to be comfortable. And one more thing here, whenever you go outside, you don't have any chance to wear an Indian kind of dress. So today I am converting this dress to a Indian attire. And now just a very basic makeup, not much. I'm wearing this Lakme CC cream. And I have already applied some lipstick and kajal. That's it. I don't make up much. So this is my very simple makeup look. Now I'm giving you a warm welcome in my living room. Today I just want to decorate my living room in a very cozy and warm way, because it's the first day of December and I just love to welcome winter, welcome the festive season in this way, also with my friends. Here you can see I'm lighting up some candles. You have already seen probably in my Kolkata room tour video that I always love to use this kind of candles. So it looks good now. Now very soon in my channel, my friends, I'm going to upload a full room tour video including my living room and bedroom, also with some organization tips. But today I thought of, since I have decorated my house just a little bit, so why not sharing with you all, because as I always tell that you are part of my family. Here you can see I'm lighting up these candles. I absolutely love this gorgeous candle stand, silver colored. I just love this color. And here is our marriage pics. You have already seen in my Kolkata room tour video and you all liked it. Now let's light up few candles here in this area too, because this is my main sitting place. My guests will come, they will sit here. So in this way, I think I can give them a cozy, warm welcome. And also I want to give them a very relaxed ambience. And here you can see my apartment is just very close to the roads. So that's the reason always we get a lot of outside lights. So I have a plan to put off all the inside lights and then we can have a lot of outside light and the candle lights. So in this way we can have a great ambience or great mood to have a great party. Now not only candles, I have put few candies there too, you can see. And this is absolutely delicious and really colorful. I already have tasted few of them. Now this part also is absolutely ready. So this is pretty much the ready look of my living room for today. Now I just need to check one more time my dining table and then I'll start frying the appetizer. Super duper busy because he is arranging the drinks now. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so we are almost done here.
Yeah.
Last but not the least, the drinks part.
Yeah.
A lot of options today. And
even though there is no hard drinks.
No hard drinks, all are soft. Basically.
Yeah.
But we have options. We'll see.
Yeah.
What
How
they are going to like.
Right.
We don't know what exactly they like.
Yeah.
So we made a couple of options here.
So these are the bleachers from different flavors, right?
Yeah. This is orange. This is lime.
Yeah.
So this is lemon.
Lemon. Yeah.
And this is lime. This one is lime.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
This one is strawberry.
Wow, the color.
There are this is some cold drinks. This is different shaker they call. This is the Christmas edition, and there's some cola.
Yeah.
And some tea work.
And some tea work. So yes, now we think we're gonna have fun because this is the first time we're going to have some home party here in Denmark. So yes. So yes, now I have light up all the candles and now my room is looking super beautiful. Actually, I always love to light up the candles, especially whenever some guests are coming into my place. And you have already seen my table is all done, so everything is all set now. One more thing, I will start frying the French fries because within 15 to 20 minutes they are gonna come. So I'll start frying the French fries. I'll show you how I arrange my snacks platter. So yeah, please keep watching the vlog. I was tired, but right now I'm feeling super refreshed. So please keep watching the vlog. So now I'm back in kitchen. My decoration is done. So here I have arranged my snack platter. So there is Thousand Island dressing and here is some tomato ketchup. And this thing I already have shared with you in my Diwali haul video. I got it from Home Center. So this is my favorite and today is the first time I'm going to use that. So let's see. And this is the French fries. This is very low calorie. And now I'm going to fry some French fries. So yeah, biryani is here and I'll take out everything from fridge. So okay, I think I'll be all set then. Here you can see I'm frying my French fries in batches. So my first batch is done. I really don't want to overload my pan whenever I fry my French fries. In this way it gets really crispy, not soft and soggy. So it's absolutely ready now, one plate. They will arrive within 2-3 minutes. Then probably I'm going to serve them, because it's always a better idea to fry few stuff before they arrive. Otherwise you will be very busy. My French fries are done. Probably I'm gonna fry one more batch. Let's see how many we need. So yeah, it's here. And I'll start warming up the food after 1 or 2 hours, and biryani is ready. So now, yes, everything is all done. I'm in good shape now. Okay. And here you can see they have already arrived, and we are having a great time. We are talking, chatting, singing. So yeah, we are having a quality time together. You can see I have already served that French fries, and now I'm going to fry one more batch. And also I have served them some snacks that I got from India, that bhujia, and they absolutely liked it. Here is my guest, and they all are enjoying. First of all, Sachi, say hello to my viewers. Yeah, and then Bornalidi.
Hi.
Yeah, and Shudipta da, Ashwin.
Hello.
Yeah, and here is Bikram.
Hello.
So okay, now we are enjoying the party, and yeah. Sachi, you want to say something?
What is this? This is something. Auntie, do you like the new and
Yeah, I want to show my viewers what you have done with it.
Oh my god, there are viewers.
Yeah, 1.8K view.
You're live.
You are live.
Now you can understand, my friends, how much we are enjoying the party. And now let's celebrate this beautiful evening with some champagne, and also Sachi is going to sing a beautiful song for us. So please keep listening.
In my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out of the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out of the dark.
Wow!
Such a nice song.
Yeah.
Now it's champagne time.
You have liked Sachi's song?
Yeah.
Now the time is around 11 o'clock, and we are still enjoying the party. And really we are having a great time. Those moments are really special when we are with our friends, we are with our family. And please let me know, my friends, in the comment section, how many of you like having this kind of winter home party. You know, whenever I used to be in India, every year in winter time we used to have a lot of picnics. So please let me know in the comment section how many of you like having this kind of outside picnics, or even winter potlucks and winter parties like us we are doing today. Now finally it's dinner time. So I have already fried this paratha, and this is the only item that I got from outside, and all the other items, they are homemade. I already have shared the details video of my food preparation in my previous vlog. I hope you have liked that vlog, my friends. If you have missed it, I'll give the link in the I button or in the description box below. So please check it out, and please let me know how you liked that vlog. And those who have commented wonderful things on my previous vlog, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And here is my final food spread. It's looking gorgeous. Now this is the final look of my dining table. So everything is organized and arranged now. I already have taken out that candle and also that tree so that it will be really very easy for them to take out food.
बुलाती है मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog today. Sometimes whenever you feel really good, then you don't feel tired at all. I mean, today we spent a beautiful evening, so that for that evening I cooked throughout the day. I cleaned and Bikram also helped me. So we had some very busy time today, but still everything ended in a very happy note. So that is more important. Whenever friends and family comes to your place, you cook for them, they also enjoy your company, your food, and then nothing matters. I mean, tomorrow it's Sunday, tomorrow we'll rest throughout the day, and I told you before at the beginning of the vlog that I really enjoy to cook for my family, cook for my friends. I really enjoy to host party, and especially this kind of home parties. I just love to have friends in my place, and they were really our first guest here in Delhi. So my friends, thank you so much for being with me to watch this vlog. And you can see me with this jacket and scarf. Actually their car was parked in a different street, so we went there. We had some night stroll, so it was a fantastic time. And this is the food. So now I'll do everything, me and Bikram, we both actually. But about this arranging thing, always I need to take the lead. I need to wrap everything and I put it in the fridge. So how was the party, Bikram?
It was fantastic party.
Yeah, you sang really well. Yeah, and Shudiptada too, and everyone actually. Sachi, Bornalidi, everybody was enjoying this party. Ashwin too. And next time we had a plan, we'll bring some guitar and we'll have some musical night. So yes, you want to say good night to my viewers?
Yeah, good night to all, and we had a great party today.
Yeah, and also we got two amazing gift. Ashwin brought that champagne bottle. We already had it. You have seen in my vlog. And also we got one beautiful thing.
Yeah, this was.
Yeah. So this tomorrow we'll open, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll open. Super duper tired now today. So
It's
thanks to them.
night.
Yeah, it's already 12:30 at night. And so okay,
Good night.
Tata. Good night to all of you, and thank you so much for watching my vlog.